Okay, part two. And this is what we're looking at now. We're looking at Napoleon's Old Guard Grenadiers. I paid $40 for these. They're 60 figures, 28 millimeter hard plastic, and they're by Vistrex. I always grab these because I like mixing the Vistrex with the Perry and with the Warlord. A shout out to Hobby Bunker in Malden, Massachusetts. I've been waiting for these. They were out of stock, but we grabbed a few of them here. They finally came in. So these are the old Grenadiers, and they look pretty cool. I can't wait to get these guys going. The Old Guard have always been my favorite when it comes to Napoleonics. The old Grumblers. So you got a few different heads. So that's going to be interesting to build. This looks like you got a drummer. There's the drum. So this is a command. You got the eagle, the standards right here. Looks like you got some similar body types here and here on this sprue. So it's not bad. It's not bad at all. So we got 60 figs on 4 sprues. Not too bad, not too shabby. That will go with my Old Guard. So that's gonna give me. I already have some chasseurs already painted up, and then okay, let's see what we got here. So now we got this. $50 for the Battle for Vendros, and let's see how this goes. The Battle for Vendros. What do we got here? All right. Oh, pretty neat. What do you get with this? This box contains 1 Space Marine Captain, 1 Orc War Boss, 6 Tactical Space Marines, 5 Orc Knobs, 1 Space Marine Terminator, 12 Orc Boys, 1 Space Marine Dreadnought, and 1 Orc Death Copter. Right here, okay? So, for $49 minus $10 off my gaming discount from the store, and this is what I got here. So, $40. So we have this book and a few shooting, fight. So range, shots, attacks, little comparison chart here. War starts here, of course, when you want to grow your army. So it's great. This wouldn't be a bad Christmas set. I really want it. It'd be pretty neat. For $50, probably $30 for the Brits, and maybe a little bit more for the Canadians. But it's not a bad Christmas present. It really isn't. Huh. So you get Dreadnought, a Terminator, Captain, the old Captain. I remember that. And then a squad of Marines. The artwork's pretty decent. Then you have Death Copter, War Boss, Knobs, and Boys, which is pretty cool. Artwork is always cool. Just going through the book and how to play. You know, so this is kind of like the McCrag set. Remember that set? That's pretty much what this is. Move, shoot, charge, fight. Gives you how to play. Examples of play. More artwork. Or actually photography. What your miniatures look like. And of course we have the other stuff that goes with it that you can add-ons. Bikes, troopers, tag bike. Cool. A war track. Gobs. Run herder. Yeah, so that's pretty neat. Good work. So that's actually not a bad deal for $40 to $50. That's pretty cool. So that's my that's what came this morning. So that's pretty good. I'm actually pretty happy about that, and I'm glad I could get you guys another video or two. It's been a bit. I really like this. Really like this book here. This is pretty neat. This is very cool. I really like this. So if you're into ancients and you want a cool set, I'd definitely grab this. Without a doubt. It's just in history and miniature models. It's nice thick book. That's well worth it. So I think these would be great Christmas gifts. This battle set, the Warhammer battle set, the Hail Caesar battle set. That's pretty cool. So yeah, I definitely I can definitely see picking up a couple of these sets for Christmas and make the war game at home happy. So that's not bad. Not bad at all. So those are my takes. So I got the Warhammer, Hail Caesar, and some Grenadiers. As if I